Hello there, I'm Laura, and for the choice assignment, I chose to do a teaching video. So, um, first of all, I'm just going to tell you my answers, sorry, and then I will work a few of them out for you. So, number one, I got 1/2. Number two, I got 1/6. For number three, I got 20 hundredths, which I wrote as 0.20. And then for number four, I got 50%. So I will show you a few of them. Actually, I think all of them really quick. So number one, if a number cube is rolled, what is the probability that the number rolled will be greater than 3? So this is just what I did. So I know a number cube has, okay, sorry. So a number cube has 6 numbers. So it could be a 1, it could be a 2, it could be a 3, it could be a 4, it could be a 5, or it could be a 6. Okay. So, but it said, what is the probability that the number rolled will be greater than 3? So, greater than 3 would be, so out of 1 through 6, the numbers that are greater than 3 are 4, 5, and 6. Because 3 is not greater than itself. It's not greater than 3. So, we're going to cross off these first 3, and we have 4, 5, and 6 left. So then, probability. Probability is a fraction, so we're going to make it a fraction. So when you do probability, the fraction part, the bottom, the denominator, is the total. Okay? And then the numerator, the number on top, is like how many. Okay? So the total of all the numbers is 6. Okay? But the ones that it could be that's greater than 3 is 3. 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So my answer is 1/6, and then I'm just going to reduce that to 1/2. And that was my answer for number 1. Okay? Alright. I'm just going to show you a couple more. Alright. So. Alright. So, let's just keep going. So number 2 was, what is the probability of rolling a 1 with one roll of a number cube? So again, they're using the number cube in this example. So they're saying if you roll a number cube, what is the percentage that you're going to roll a 1 just by rolling it once? So again, we could have, so this is what I did in my head because I already knew what the number cube looked like. So it could be a 1, it could be a 2, it could be a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. So there's 6 different possibilities. So 6 is our total, okay, which is our denominator. And then how many, which is just that one chance, because there's only one chance that you could get a 1 out of 6, because you could get a 2, so you could get a 1, yeah, maybe you could get a 2. Let me get this differently. You could get a 1, you could get a 2, you could get a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. So those are what you could get. But they're asking, what's the chance of getting a 1? So there's, it's a 1 and a 6th chance. 1/6. Okay, and that was my answer right there. Okay, so for number 2, 1/6 chance that you would get a 1 when you roll a number cube. Okay. Alright, I think these next two are chance, which is different than probability. Okay, so number 3, a bag contains 2 red marbles, 3 blue marbles, and 5 green marbles. If 1 marble is drawn from the bag, what is the chance that the marble will be red? Okay, so this is exactly what I did when I worked it out. I drew this, okay, and I said red, blue, and green. Okay, I drew this little graph. And it said that it had 2 red marbles, so I drew it out. I definitely learn better when I see something, so I like to draw a lot of pictures for math, so I drew pictures of little marbles. Okay, 3 blue marbles, so I drew 3. So if you just draw pictures and just keep it simple, and you keep it really simple, it actually makes it easier for me. That's just my opinion. So like any math problem, I just draw it out if it tells you about something that you could draw. Okay, and anyways, so, and then 5 green marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So all these marbles are in a bag. Okay? So, how many marbles are there all together? So 2 plus 3, so there's 2 red and 2 blue. So 2 plus 3 is 5, like both of those. And then plus 5 more for the green. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, so then it asked for the for the chance of pulling out a red one. So so there's 10 marbles altogether. So we're going to draw our percentage thing. 10 is the denominator because it is the total. There's 10 total marbles. And then what is the percentage of pulling a red one? So 2 is how many? So 2/10 is our percentage, or is our probability of pulling a red marble out of the bag with all different colored marbles. So, and then 2/10. But that's not what they said. They didn't say the probability or the fraction. They said the chance. So chance equals percentage. Okay, so we have to make this 2/10 into a percentage. So what I'm going to do, what I did was I just added a 0 to both these numbers. And look what number we have. We have 20/100ths. And we know that from a fraction, we know that we can make that a decimal, like this. And you can add zeros to the right of fraction anytime if it helps you. So 20/100ths, 0.20. All right, so that is what I got for number 3. All right. Okay, all right, last one. Number 4, as you can see, I got 50%, but I'm just going to show you how I did it. So, the faces of this spinner is divided into 6 coordinate sectors. If the spinner is spun once, what is the chance that it will stop on a 2? So they drew a little picture of a spinner. And so it has 6 sections. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. draw this again. I'm horrible at drawing fractions on a circle. Okay. So I'm just going to draw third and then just split both of these. Alright, and then we have a 2, and then a 1, and then a 2, and then a 1, and then a 2, and then a 1. So it goes back and forth. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And so it's asking what is the chance that if it's spun once, what is the chance that it will land on a 2? So how many numbers are there altogether? There's 6 numbers. Okay. How many 2s are there? Because that is your total. Okay. And then we're asking how many. How many 2s? How many, exactly what they're asking for. 2s. How many are there of those? So there's 1, 2, 3. And we know 3/6 is equal to 1/2. And 1/2 is equal to 50. So 1/2, yeah, 1/2. But they're not asking what is the percentage. They're asking the chance. So it'd be 50%. So number 4 is 50%. So I'm going to go over my answers really quick, and then that'll be all. So number 1 was 1/2. Number 2 was 1/6. Number 3, 20/100, which is 0.20. And then number 4 was 50%. That's all. Bye.